There's an Amazon Prime youth offer and for students as well. It's called Amazon Prime for young adults. So there's a link in the description that will take you to this page. And the Amazon Prime for young adults membership is 6 months free of Amazon Prime, and then it's 50% off. You also get 5% cash back on tons of items, laptops, computer equipment, beauty, apparel, personal care, everything from an Apple MacBook Pro down to magnesium gummies. You get 5% off of all of that. And then you get Grubhub Plus, free food deliveries. You get Amazon Prime Video, fast shipping. All you have to do is click that yellow button. And if you already have an Amazon Prime account, you can actually switch to this membership and save that 50% off, as well as getting that 5% cash back, which you don't have on the regular Amazon Prime. So this is the Amazon Prime for young adults. It's the Amazon Prime youth offer. And in this case, you just have to verify as a student or being between 18 and 24 years old. And you get this 6-month free trial of Amazon Prime along with the 50% off after that until you're 25 or until you're not a student anymore and don't qualify for it. So you get it for years and years as well. That's the Amazon Prime youth offer that's available. It's also the Amazon Prime student offer. Go check it out with the link in the description. It'll take you to that landing page. And that landing page in particular is the only one you can go to if you're switching from Prime to the Amazon Prime for young adults or Amazon Prime student membership. Go get your 6-month free trial and go get some 5% cash back with Amazon Prime for young adults.